Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. Today we are going to do numericals on energy of class 9 of subject physics. So we are going to start with the questions of energy to find the potential and kinetic energies. So I am writing the equations for the potential and kinetic energy. This is potential energy PE equal to mgh. Here m is the mass of the body. M is the mass of the body. G is gravity and h is height. This is our first equation for energy of potential energy. Next form of energy is kinetic energy, which is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity of the body. These are the equations that will be used in the numericals. Here PE is the potential energy, which is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the body, g is gravity, h is height. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity of the body. So now, and the other equations that will be used are, I am rubbing the board to write the next equations. That will be the equations of motion, equations of motion. So the first equation is v equal to u plus gt, and it will be converted in terms of v is equal to u plus gt, where the original equation is v is equal to u plus at. Here the acceleration a is equal to g in terms of gravity. The next equation is s equal to ut plus half at square. It will be changed in terms of gravity. S will be height, ut plus half acceleration will be gt square. Okay, and the third equation is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So it will be changed in terms of gravity. V square equal to u square plus 2gh, where s is height and g acceleration due to gravity. So our equations will be transformed like this. V is equal to u plus gt in terms of v is equal to u plus at when we talk about gravity. S is equal to ut plus half at square. It will be changed to h is equal to ut plus half gt square. A is equal to g, acceleration due to gravity. V square equal to u square plus 2as. It will be changed to v square equal to u square plus 2gh. Here a is equal to g is equal to acceleration, and v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, t is time, and s is distance. Here in terms of gravity it is height, s is height. So these are the notations meaning that are used in these equations. So all these formulas and equations will be used in the numericals. So now we will proceed with the numericals. So I am rubbing the board. So I will write the first question. A ball of mass 1 kg is dropped from a tower of height 100 meter. Find the velocity when it reaches the ground. Also find kinetic energy and potential energy. So here there is a ball. We will read the question once more, and the gravity is 10 meter per second square. So, and read the question, write the given things, and we'll solve the question. So a ball of mass 1 kg. So mass is given to us is 1 kg. It is dropped from rest, dropped from a tower of height 100 meter. So h is equal to 100 meter. It is dropped from rest. So initial velocity u is 0. We have to find the velocity. We have also to find the kinetic energy, and also we have to find the potential energy. So these are the things that we have to find. So applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2gh. Substituting the values, v square equal to initial velocity 0, 0 square plus 2, gravity is 10, gravity here is 10 meter per second square, 10 into height, that is 100. So the velocity, I am rubbing here to write the equation for velocity. So velocity square is equal to 2000. So it can be written as 100 into 4 into 5. So it can, taking the root, it will become 10 into 2 into root 5. So it will be 20 root 5 meter per second. So now we have to find the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy equal to half mv square. So it is half, mass is 1, v square is 2000. So 2 cancels with this, so it becomes 1000. So it is equal to 1000 joules. Also we have to find the potential energy. So potential energy is equal to mgh. So substituting the values, mass is 1, gravity is 10, height is 100. So it is again coming out to be 1000 joules. So these are the things that we have to find. So we'll understand it once more. Mass is 1 kg, height is 100 meters, initial velocity dropped from rest, so u is equal to 0. We have to find the final velocity, that is v. We have to find also the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Gravity is given as 10 meter per second square. So applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2gh in terms of gravity. V square equal to initial velocity is 0, so u 0 square plus 2, gravity is 10 into 10 into height, that is 100. So V square is coming out to be 2000. Doing with factors, we can write 100 into 4 into 5. Taking the root, V is equal to 10 into 20 into root 5. So V is equal to 20 root 5 meter per second. This is the value of velocity. Now we have to find the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy equal to half mv square, considering the value of v square and mass, half into 1 into 2000. 2 gets cancelled with 2000 to give 1000. So the answer is 1000 joule. Potential energy at height h is equal to mgh is equal to 1 into 10, and the gravity is 10 and height is 100. So multiplying this, it is coming out to be 1000 joules. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this. So now we are proceeding to the next question. So I am rubbing the board. So the next question is, a ball of mass 1 kg is thrown upward with 5 meter per second. Find the maximum height attained by the ball find kinetic energy and potential energy. So this is our question, and gravity is 10 meter per second square. So we'll read the question once more, understand it, write the given things, and then we will find the question and solve for the result. A ball of mass 1 kg, the mass is given as 1 kg, is thrown upward with a velocity. So initial velocity is 5 meter per second. And find the maximum height. At the maximum height, final velocity will be 0. So V is equal to 0. And we have to find the height, maximum height that is attained by the ball. And we have also to find the kinetic energy at the initial stage, and at height h we have to find the potential energy. So we are applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2gh. Gravity is in the upward direction, so it will be negative. So 0 square equal to, this will be 5 square plus 2 into minus 10 into h. So it is coming out to be 25 upon 20 equal to h. So h is coming out to be 5 by 4 meters. So this is the height attained by the ball, the maximum height, 5 upon 4 meters. So now we have to find the kinetic and potential energies. So finding the kinetic energy at the initial point, so it will be half mv square. It is half, mass is 1, v square is the velocity, that is 25. So it is coming out to be 12.5 meter per second. Now we have to find the potential energy. So potential energy equal to mgh. So m is the mass of the body, that is 1, g is gravity, and h is height. Height, that was 5 upon 4. This was the height. So this is 5, this is 2. So again it is 5 by 2. Sorry, it is joules. So again it is 5 by 2 equal to 12.5 joules. So this will be our potential energy at height h. So we are going to understand it once more. Mass was given as 1 kg. Initial velocity with which the ball was thrown was 5 meter per second. At the maximum height, the final velocity v will be 0. Kinetic energy we have to find. Height, we have to find the maximum height, and the potential energy at height h we have to find. Applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2gh. Here the v was 0, so 0 square is equal to, initial velocity was 5, so 5 square plus 2, since it is in the upward direction, the gravity will be negating, so it is minus 10 into h, that is the height we have to find. After simplifying, 25 upon 20 equal to h. Simplifying further, h is equal to 514 meters. So this is our value for height, the maximum height. Now we have to find the kinetic energy at the initial point. So when the ball was thrown, so it is half mv square, half into mass, that is 1, and v square, that is 5 square, that is 25. So it will come out to be 12.5 joule. So you can say it mu square also. So potential energy equal to mgh. So mass is 1, gravity is 10, and height at end, that was 5 upon 4, so 5 upon 4. Simplifying, it is coming out to be 25 by 2. So it is coming out to be 12.5 joule. So this is our answer for the potential energy. I think you all might have understood this. So please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.